guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn, can you see who view your Instagram videos? It is possible or not? So in simple word, there is no possibility to check who viewed your video, while Instagram does not show you the name of the people who watch your video. You can see your video total views and like count. To see this guys, go to your profile section, and here you can get all Instagram post including video. Go to your video section, and here you can get the view count on your video, as you can see. But you don't have any option to check who watch your Instagram videos, as you can see guys. Till now there is no option. So one more thing you can do guys, you need to post your Instagram video to your Instagram stories. So this will help you to know people who watch your stories with the name. So there is no direct method to see who view your Instagram videos. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.